everyone, welcome back to Drive Comfort to the channel, your go-to place for all things electric, innovative, and game-changing in the world of EVs. If you're passionate about the future of transportation and tech, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update from us. Now, let's dive right into something truly exciting, the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. Tesla has always been at the forefront of electric vehicle innovation, but what they've done with the 2025 Model S Plaid takes things to a whole new level. This isn't just a refresh, it's a complete refinement of what a high-performance EV should look, feel, and drive like. So what makes the 2025 Plaid stand out? First off, Tesla has pushed the performance envelope even further. We're talking about a tri-motor setup producing over 1,100 horsepower, allowing the car to launch from 0 to 60 in under 1.9 seconds. That's supercar territory, and it's not just fast in a straight line. Tesla has worked on improving the chassis and suspension dynamics, making it more nimble in corners and giving drivers more confidence at high speeds. And speaking of speed, the top speed is now electronically limited to 200 miles per hour, but with upgraded carbon ceramic brakes, the Plaid finally has the stopping power to match its acceleration. Tesla listened to its critics and made real, tangible upgrades here. On the outside, the 2025 Plaid doesn't stray far from the clean, minimalist look of previous years. But look closely and you'll notice subtle changes: an updated front fascia with improved aerodynamics, a slightly more aggressive stance, and new wheel options that enhance both style and performance. There's also improved cooling for the motors and battery system, allowing you to push the car harder for longer without worrying about overheating. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 Model S Plaid has been refined for a more luxurious and tech-forward feel. The yoke steering remains, yes, it's still a polarizing choice, but Tesla has made software improvements to make it more responsive and intuitive. A traditional round steering option is also available now for those who weren't fans of the yoke. The central 17-inch touchscreen is sharper and faster than ever, running Tesla's latest software update with enhanced responsiveness and new features. Rear passengers also get an updated screen, allowing for entertainment, climate control, and even light gaming thanks to Tesla's improved onboard GPU, which is now rivaling modern gaming consoles. And yes, Tesla is continuing its push into full self-driving. The 2025 Model S Plaid is equipped with the latest full self-driving hardware, labeled FSD Computer 4, which offers greater processing power and supports Tesla's vision-only approach. While full autonomy is still a work in progress, over-the-air updates continue to improve its capabilities with every passing month. Range is another area where the Plaid shines. Tesla claims a range of up to 420 miles on a single charge, thanks to improved battery chemistry and more efficient motors. Real-world testing shows that number holding up fairly well, especially during highway driving with Tesla's regenerative braking dialed in. And with Tesla's Supercharger V4 network rolling out, charging is faster than ever, you can add up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Now, let's talk about sound. Tesla has upgraded the in-cabin audio experience with a 22-speaker system that delivers rich, immersive sound, making your daily commute or road trip that much more enjoyable. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or just enjoying the silent torque of the electric drivetrain, it feels premium. Another small but important improvement is the build quality. Tesla has faced criticism in the past for inconsistent panel gaps and interior materials. For 2025, that's been addressed. The fit and finish are noticeably better, and the materials feel more upscale. Soft touch surfaces, real wood trims, and subtle ambient lighting now create a more inviting cabin. The 2025 Model S Plaid isn't just about raw speed or tech bragging rights. It's about refinement. It's about pushing the boundaries of what an EV can be: luxurious, lightning fast, smart, and still practical enough to be your daily driver. It has seating for 5, a massive frunk and trunk combo, and the convenience of a full glass roof that makes the cabin feel open and airy. Pricing starts around $94,000, depending on the options and incentives available in your region. That's certainly a premium price tag, but when you consider the level of performance and features packed into this vehicle, it makes a compelling case against even much more expensive supercars and luxury sedans. So is the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid the ultimate EV? That's up for debate, but one thing is clear: it's the most complete version of the Model S yet, combining power, efficiency, luxury, and cutting-edge technology in a package that's hard to ignore. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful or exciting, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 Plaid. Would you choose it over a Lucid Air or Porsche Taycan? Let us know. And of course, subscribe for more electric content coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.